Hi, I'm Aaron and this is my bike check. Alright, we're looking here at the Supercross Bolt LT. This is my special one in Fire Truck Red, and it's got the SLT forks, and we've got our Colony Bloody Oath bars. Got the Tektro brakes, tough brakes, been on there for a while. Obviously got the dirt plate, good plate. We've got the Vans grips, I love these. Got the classic look, but the new school lock-on style. And moving down through the bike, it's we've got the head stem over here, and that's We the People, I think. But we've got the Supercross stem lock and the Speedline bearing setup. Coming through the bike, we've got our Shimano cranks and our De Bomb pedals. Moving through to the wheel setup, we've got Alienation rims and hubs, Royal hubs and plain black rims but in chrome. Running 175 tyre on the back and 2.20 on the front. And I like that setup. It's old school sort of style. That's the sort of way I like to ride. Also with the bike, it helps the feel of the bike, and that comes down to the frame also. That helps out. We've also got the Alienation seat, matches the bike, and a bit of padding in there, so it's comfy. It's also pivotal, so it fits the Supercross seat and seat post. And obviously got the Tektro brake arms at the back.